everyone, it's Miss Virginia here with another episode of Babytime Buzz. I hope that everyone is doing well and is being safe. So I thought what we would do this on this episode is do a rhyme that we do at Babytime, and it's called 5 Little Elephants Going for a Swim. What's fun about this one is we get to make some noise. So when we say knock, knock, splash, splash, this is what I want you to do, mommies and daddies. And you can do it on your little ones. That's always fun, or you can do it in front of your little ones. But we tap our legs, knock, knock, splash, splash, come on in. So here we go, ready? So here I have one elephant in the bathtub. Do you see? One. Here we go. One elephant in the bathtub, going for a swim. Knock, knock, splash, splash, come on in. Oh, let's see who comes. Oh, look. Now we have 2 elephants. Let's count them. 1, 2. 2 elephants in the bathtub, going for a swim. Knock, knock, splash, splash, come on in. Oh my goodness. Here comes purple elephant. Oh my goodness, purple elephant, do you see? Let's count them, ready? 1, 2, 3. 3 elephants in the bathtub, going for a swim. Knock, knock, splash, splash, come on in. All right, let's see who comes now. Yellow elephant, oh my goodness. Wow, it's getting pretty crowded in the bathtub. Let's count. Here we go. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 elephants in the bathtub, going for a swim. Knock, knock, splash, splash, come on in. Oh my goodness. Do you think a 5th elephant will fit? Oh my goodness. Here we go. There's 5 elephants in the bathtub, going for a swim. Let's count. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 elephants. Oh my goodness. What color are the elephants? Oh, let's see. Ready? We have a green elephant, an orange elephant, a purple elephant, a yellow elephant, and a blue elephant. Yay! I bet they're having fun in the tub. I bet you have fun in the tub too. So mommies and daddies, I have a suggestion for you. So I'm sure you probably already do this with your little ones while they're taking a bath. But here's my little bathtub right here. And of course I put some plastic toys in here for the little ones. And I've also put some sponges, okay? And I cut up the sponges. Now we cut them up this size. This is what we had at the library, but even if you were to cut them in half, that would make it even better. But anyway, you can go and have them give their toys a bath. So we can do this one. Here we go, ready? Like a ball. Wash, wash, wash the ball, get it nice and clean. Scrub, 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 scrub. Now it's nice and clean. And there you go. You can do all kinds of toys. You can sing this little song. It's so much fun. And then of course, when you're giving your little ones a bath, you can sing this little song using the different parts of their body. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this episode of Babytime Buzz. I look forward to seeing you next time. Stay safe, and we'll see you then. Bye-bye.